This is fucking scary. Biggest fish ever. PB! So, we're just walking up this crystal clear creek. We're gonna go try and find this secret waterfall. It's just 40 minutes up here, and yeah, this creek's pretty loaded with fish. But yeah, we'll try and catch some jungle perch. Hey, let me get in there.
Come down. Okay, Sid.
Yeah, I'm not going in there.
Hamish, you may get it. If you let it sink a bit, maybe.
No, it doesn't really sink.
Ready?
Oh! Oh! I got that on GoPro. That gave me a fright. Oh, he's coming at it. Let me have a go. Oh, it sinks a little bit.
Yeah, he's coming out. I'm just ready. Watch this. I'll stick my rod underwater.
Oh, he's...
Oh,
he's
yeah,
had
he's
a go
got
at
it. He's there. Oh, that's a good sooty.
Oh, that's a...
Oh, jungle perch.
Yeah. Try and get another one.
Was that jungle perch?
No, it was a sooty.
Very slippery.
There's got to be a sooty in here. Woohoo! Oh, there's a sooty right there.
Yeah.
On.
Oh, Jasper's on.
Oh, you're not catching one then, yeah?
That's a huge one.
Oi, live bait, nah.
The smallest sooty
Oh my god!
I've ever caught. That is the biggest PB right there.
PB. Yeah, we'll do a water release video. Another one. That one's alright. Just get one hook out at a time. Oh, this video I'm on.
Yeah. Double hook up. Yours is bigger.
Mine's way bigger.
Do this fish.
Yeah, well, let me just put mine in this puddle right here.
You're gonna catch it.
Yeah, I will. I probably won't too. Okay, you hold that one. We'll release them both there. Okay, hold on, wait for me.
It looks like it's about to die. It's fucking squaring up.
Not both of them. I can't grab it.
That one's fine. I caught the bigger one.
Take it off the clip. So I'm put my rod down.
Alright, I've got a nice little angle here.
Point them this way. Really hitting it. Oh, I tried foul hooking one. Oh my god.
No, that's a catfish.
You sure that's a catfish?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's a catfish.
Definitely catfish.
Never mind then. Alright, let's keep going up. Monster! Biggest fish! Biggest fish ever! PB! Oh my god.
Ah, I need a lip.
What? That's the smallest sooty ever.
Sorry buddy, your eye's not gonna be in here.
Oh, there's so many of them. Alright, release them in the water.
Try to shut it.
No. He was out of the water Big one, big one. That's another like 3 centimeter. Another 3 centimeter.
Stonkers. Let's measure it on the arm.
This is Jasper's biggest sooty. We're measuring it on the arm.
Oh shit, man. Oh, it's 15. What the hell?
It's 15 meters.
20. Nah, that's stretch it and it's 20.
It's 20 centimeters.
Yeah,
It's off the scale.
Wait, what's the biggest? So it's over 50. What the
There's no way. Okay, tail's there.
That thing's like 55.
55 centimeters.
That's no, that's more. It's like no 50. Yeah, 55 centimeter sooty.
2, 1. Oh, another risky jump.
No way you've done that.
I'll go for Jasper doing it. Let him go. Jasper's caught like freaking
2 from 2. That's number 9.
Jasper got another one. This one might drag so much.
I've only dragged them every 6 before. Even the tiny little thing.
Baby sooty.
It's not baby for this creek, like.
Yeah, this is a big one for the creek. Oh, the hooks are so annoying to get out.
How are they going for it? It's tiny. They're like the same size as the wheel.
Oh, yeah, I'm on. No, I dropped it.
It jumped that one.
Yeah, it jumped. It could have been a jungle perch. Oh, it's so nice and yummy. Double hook up, surely. Oh yeah, Jasper's got one.
That's number 13.
Number 13 of those baby sooties and 1 jungle perch. We're so close to the waterfall, but yeah, we're just catching all these baby sooties because it's pretty fun. Catch one on second cast. Oh, Jasper's got one.
There we go.
Oh, nice one, Jasper.
I might need help getting this one off, I think. Rip. It's falling apart. I can't do it.
It's so mean.
I hit it rock. That's bullying. That's sad.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, got it. No, I dropped it.
Number 20. They've all been this size.
They're probably. Oh. Yeah, they love these.
You caught like 3 each.
They love these little
How many have you got now?
double hookup.
I'll run it into the GoPro. And move it out of Yeah!
I'm on 8. I'm nearly on double digits. I'm on 8.
I'm on 24.
Jasper's on 24. I'm on 8. 5. My lure's kind of swimming in circles for some reason. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going up, try and get to the waterfall. This one's so blue. Look how grey this one is, Jasper. Look how grey that is.
Ugh.
This is like purple. Let's see if we can escape the rapids. Oh, we did. Alright, I'm gonna go up. We're nearly at the waterfall. It looks massive. This waterfall is massive. Looks insane. Holy crap. That is sick. Alright, let's get to the swimming hole. Open in first.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh.
You have to go through there.
We caught so many sooties. We caught so many sooties.
I got 26. 26?
I got 10. 3 here. Oh, this is...
These little lures, they're all like that big.
I'm swimming. I'm free. Oh, this is sick.
Dad, you know how they're soft when they're warm? Those chewies? When I was swimming it in the cold water, it got really hard, like when you put it in the freezer. Oh, I thought you had chewing gum, you had one of those things. Yeah. Ah, right.
Oh, this is sick.
We're going, Hamish.
Yeah.
It's too shallow there, isn't it? No, it's deep. Actually, no, don't. It's too risky.
Wanna wake up in bed style like Aladdin, got a whole world I can show you.